Everyone, welcome back to my channel Brainwave Blitz GK. So today we are going to go over a quick and easy way to keep your MacBook desktop clean by deleting files. So let's get started. First thing first, so let's take a look at the desktop. You will see many of the files and folders you can see on my screen. So personally, I don't like keeping these files on my MacBook screen. I want to keep my screen clean. So what I will do is I will delete the files which is unnecessary, and I will keep my MacBook screen clean. So what I will do here is, you can select any one file, just click on it and highlight it, and then you can just drag and drop it to your recycle bin. So in that situation, after dragging it to your bin, the file will get deleted. It will come to your bin. So suppose you have multiple files on your screen, you cannot do it one by one, right? So it's gonna take time. So in that situation, what you can do here is, you can select any one file and then press the control key, go back to press the shift key, and keep clicking on all other files which you want to delete from your MacBook desktop screen. After selecting all, you can simply put your cursor over any one file and drag it towards the bin. You can see all the files got moved to recycle bin. These two folders is still there on my desktop screen because I have not selected these files to delete. I'll show you what I mean to that, because in some situation what happens, there are files which you want to keep on your system because it is very important for you want to have an access to the file later on. So in that situation, what you will do, you want to keep your desktop screen clean as well as you do not want to delete your files. So in that situation, I will show you what you can do. You can simply open your Finder, and you can once you open your Finder, you can go to Documents. You can simply drag it and save it on your documents. So in that situation, what is going to happen is, you still have the files saved on your document window, and your screen is looking clean. So you can have a look on my screen. It's looking better than before. So I'm gonna tell you what is gonna happen, the file which you have deleted on your screen. So those files will come to bin. If you want to get those files back, you can simply select any file. Suppose if you want to remove, you want to undo the operation, you do not want to delete this file, so you can simply select it and drag it and drag and drop it to your desktop screen. So you can see this file will come back to your desktop screen. Like that you can do with all the files one by one. But suppose if you do not want to keep these files, you want to permanently delete it from your desktop screen. So in that situation, what you can do, right hand corner, you can see there is a option called empty. So when you select empty, it will prompt and ask you to be sure if you want to delete the files, because once you delete it, it's gonna get deleted permanently from your system. You are not going to get it back again. So in that case, just be sure if you want to delete or not, and then select empty bin. So in that situation, once you select it, the bin will be empty. So I hope this video is going to be helpful for you if you want to delete, if you want to keep your desktop screen clean in your MacBook. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and to get any more videos on this again. And so to get If you found this video helpful, be sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need help with something specific, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching this. See you next time. Thank you.